Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to go over something with y'all. So, as you can see, we're sitting here in the 6.0, waiting for it to warm up. I'm about to go do some stuff, but I wanted to go over what we have left to do on the Chrysler 300. So, I figured I'd go ahead, intro this video, and then either when I get back tonight, depending on what time I get back, or possibly tomorrow, then we'll run down here to the shop. We'll take a look at the car and kind of go over what all it is we have left to do. And also, I kind of wanted to mention, so as most of y'all know, or, well, you should know by now, the 6.0 here, I have a bunch of stuff for this truck. That's why we've been working on the 300, trying to get it done. That way I don't have to daily drive the white truck. I can daily drive the 300 while we tear this apart for its new goodies. Now, it's not gonna be crazy, but it'll probably be tore down, if I had to guess, for at least a week. So I don't really want to drive the white truck daily for a week. So that's what we've been working on the 300 for. But the issue being is right now we're getting into winter. Let's see, what, a week from today is Thanksgiving. Currently, it's 50 degrees. See that? And yes, this makes noise. I don't know why. But anyway, it's currently 50 degrees. A little cold front here. I had intended to paint the car this weekend. Today's Thursday. I had intended to get the car ready because I don't want to sand the car until we're certain when we can paint it, for just certain reasons. But anyway, been trying to figure out when can we paint the car with my grandpa, between him, where he works at, weather, and then some certain stuff I've been working on. So that's why we haven't started that process yet. And it's supposed to get colder. So in the morning, at 8 o'clock in the morning, it's currently 5 o'clock and it's getting dark. But about 8 o'clock in the morning, it should be around mid-20s. So can't paint the car right now. The producer and such that I got for the paint is for between 70 degrees, 65, 70, and I think 90, which is nowhere near 50 and nowhere near 25, 27. So that's kind of the issue there. We can use the heater to heat it up, which we had thought about. We need to get propane for that, but it's also supposed to rain this weekend, and next week it rained today. So with moisture in the air, there's not much we can do. That's the issue there, because our shop is fairly sealed, but it's not completely sealed. It still gets moisture and metallic paint don't mix. So I just thought I would kind of explain that. But well, I guess we can get into it. So I have a picture that I'll throw up here on the screen. That is how the car currently sits, in that exact state. I took that picture the other night when I finished up the last 300 video, and I haven't touched it since. So what we have left to do is I need to find a rear bumper. We'll do that later. I'm not worried about that. We need to sand the front clip of the car, sand the front bumper. Then we need to sand the doors, because we're blending onto the doors and we're painting the repair on this door. So we need to do that, and then we'll be ready for paint. Now, I have sealer. We got the repair over here primed. I have sealer. So we'll spray sealer. After we sand the car, we'll spray sealer, go ahead and shoot our color, and then we should be good to go with that. After the car's painted, I need to get some fog lights at some point. I'm not worried about it. But I need to get fog lights. I need to find something that I like. I need to get a clock spring for the signals to work right. And if you're wondering what's that sound, that is the flasher relay. It doesn't like cold weather. That's why the heat is on and the truck isn't warmed up. But anyway, we need to get a new clock spring, because I think when the airbag blew, it melted the clock spring. And when you turn the signals on, you crank your wheel. In a regular vehicle, when you come back to center, it kicks the clock, it kicks the turn signals off. That car doesn't do that. So, and the horn, well, it isn't much on this truck. The horn on that car doesn't work at all with the steering wheel. So, we need to get that done again at some point. I'm not too worried about it. I can start driving the car without it. I just need to remember to turn the turn signal off, because contrary to popular belief, some of us here in Arkansas do use turn signals. Anyway, so I need to get a clock spring, I need to get fog lights, I need to get side skirts, because the side skirts that I have, I don't really want to fix them, but if we have to, it is what it is. And then I need to get a rear bumper. So all of that stuff we can do afterwards. Like I said, it's not a big deal, I'm not worried about it. But some things we do need to do before I drive the car too much is I want to get some more keys cut, because I only have one key to that car, and the fob doesn't work except for the unlock button, and sometimes you gotta kind of smack it on something to get the unlock button to work, and then if you just use the key to open the door, the alarm goes off. So I need to get some new keys cut. I have 2 new keys. I need to get them cut and programmed. So that's not a great big deal. We can do that. And then before the car gets painted, I have new control arms for the driver's side that I would like to get replaced. And then after paint, we'll get the car aligned. We'll get it registered. I'm hoping it's not a big deal getting it registered, but I don't know. When I bought the car from Copart, they put my address on the title wrong, so that might be a little interesting. I don't know, but regardless, we'll get that figured out. We'll get the car registered. Shouldn't be a big deal. I have my reconstruction paperwork, so shouldn't be a big deal, but I guess we'll have to figure that out, because DMV trips are never fun. And I believe that's about it. So again, fog lights, rear bumper, side skirts, paint the side skirts and rear bumper if I can't find any that are brilliant black, code PXR, which is what the car is. Paint the front clip, blend onto the doors. We're going to re-clear the doors. At some point I want to polish the whole car, that way all the original paint still looks nice. Will probably match a lot better to the new stuff, because new clear coat and old clear coat, especially on a black car with scratches and everything. So we'll probably go ahead, get that car polished up, get it buffed, make it look nice. Clock spring, I already mentioned that. Suspension, alignment, and then we should, theoretically, we should be good. I also have to get a molding for this door over here. Originally was going to take the moldings off. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about, because the 6.0 still has them too. These moldings here on the doors. I was originally going to take them off on that car, but I remember from the white truck, door dings forever. I don't understand. That truck made it from 1996, 97, it's 97 model, but it was made in 96. It made it from 96 to 2018 with hardly 0 door dings. We painted the truck, and then I have at least 1 to 2 door dings on all the way around the truck. So that was another reason for putting steps on it. But 300 is not going to have steps, so I figure we'll leave those on. And then like I said, that should be it. The interior is all put together. Got a new airbag. Our module reset itself because Chrysler's brilliant and they have self-healing systems. We got our sensors replaced. We got our seatbelt replaced. So like I said, theoretically, that should be it. Knock on this fake wood here. So again, like I said, I really want to get the car finished because I don't necessarily want to daily the white truck while we tear this thing apart. Now, at the same time, my grandpa is retiring at the first of the year, so he'll be home. I can drive that thing if need be, if he's not busy. But I like having my own vehicle, if that makes sense. So I don't want to rely on him or his truck. I know he doesn't have a problem with that. I just don't like to rely on folks. So that's kind of the idea there. I want to drive that car, probably try to put 500 to 1,000 miles on the thing. Make sure it's good to go. Make sure there's nothing stupid going to happen or whatever. And, well, we'll probably get tore into this guy here. The white truck, a lot of you are probably wondering about the white truck over there. I haven't given up on the white truck. I'm just trying to plan what I want to do with it. So it's probably going to be a lot of custom stuff because it's hard to find stuff for those, and when you do, they're very expensive, or I don't like the design of them. So I've been trying to figure out what to do with that truck. Also with new builds and getting some more stuff lined up for this truck and kind of everything else, if y'all were wondering. But like I said, sitting here waiting on this thing to warm up. It's getting colder and whatnot. Cold air intake, still doing great on this thing. Very happy with it. Now the truck's been sitting here idling, but still showing 17.9 on the fuel mileage with a good bit of city driving. So that's doing great. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of surprised. But anyway, guys, like I said, I believe that's all we have left on the 300. So I've kind of tried to make a mental checklist of stuff, and I'm going to probably use this video as well as far as the mental checklist goes of everything. We need to change the oil in the car as well, but I have everything for that. I just need to do it. So anyway, guys, I guess it's probably going to be a wrap for this video. Sorry we're not doing much. Another talking video. I hate making talking videos, but didn't have much going on. And like I said, I figured I'd make this video as kind of an update for y'all, and then at the same time a bit of a mental checklist for myself and something that I can refer back to. So hopefully by the time this video goes up, like I said, today is November 18th, I think, something like that. So hopefully by the time this video goes up, we'll have the car painted, but I'm not going to hold my breath on that with, again, the weather and getting cold on us and everything else moving into winter. So we'll just have to see. But anyway, guys, like I said, that's probably going to be a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.